is Kurt Escobar. I'm an assistant professor of exercise physiology in the Kinesiology department at Cal State Long Beach, where I've been a faculty for 5 years. I'm looking forward to this webcast to talk and share with you about that I've been involved in and some of the things that we plan to do. My talk will mainly be focusing on how exercise is medicine, firstly from an evolutionary perspective of how exercise and nutrition promotes positive adaptations and positive outcomes for human function, health, and performance, as well as the underlying physiology that explain those positive adaptations. So using various measures, various techniques, various models, been involved with many types of questions that relate to how exercise improves different types of human function and human health and human performance. Things ranging from the cellular mechanisms, using in vitro cell culture model research, all the way to exercise and nutrition interventions in obese and insulin-resistant populations, to sports nutrition and muscle damage recovery and exercise performance. So looking forward to sharing about some of that work and hearing about your work as well. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gwenaelle Begue. I've been an assistant professor in the Kinesiology department at Sacramento State University since 2018. I'm also the director of the Integrative Exercise Biology Lab. In the lab with my student, we strive to understand the exercise-induced adaptations from whole body down to the gene level, with an emphasis on the molecular and epigenetic responses of skeletal muscles and blood cells. I'm very excited to participate in this webcast with other CSU Kinesiology colleagues. I think it's a wonderful opportunity to learn about exciting research in the various fields of kinesiology. I also hope that this webcast will connect me and my lab to peers across CSUs in different areas of exercise and physical activity research. During the webcast, I'll be discussing exercise-induced biomarker and particularly how they can be used to design novel and personalized exercise intervention to improve physical functioning, skeletal muscle quality, and disease outcomes in people with Parkinson's disease and chronic kidney disease. I hope you can make it in April. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. MinHyuk Kwon, Assistant Professor at Poly Pomona in the Department of Kinesiology and Health Promotion, and the Director of Motor Neuroscience Lab. I have been a professor here at Poly Pomona for 4 years. I'm extremely excited about the opportunity to participate in this webcast, as it offers an excellent platform to share the latest developments in health and exercise science academia. I'm looking forward to connecting with my fellow CSU peers after the event and expanding my professional network. During my presentation, I will be discussing the neuromuscular mechanisms that underlie age-related impairments in force control, providing insight into this fascinating and important topic. I can't wait to share my research findings with all of you and to learn from all the other speakers. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
Hello, I'm Dr. Deanna Schmidt, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Kinesiology at California State University, San Marcos. I am in my 6th year as a professor. I am excited to join in this webcast featuring kinesiology across the CSUs. Kinesiology is a diverse field, and my talk will focus on my research areas, which are motor control and biomechanics. I hope that you enjoy my talk, which will be about the effect that heavy backpacks have on nerve conduction and blood flow in the upper limbs. Heavy backpack carriage can affect people who carry backpacks for their occupations, such as first responders, wildland firefighters, and the military. And they may need to use their hands after they have carried a heavy pack for a duration of time. So I hope you join us to learn more about how heavy backpacks affect nerve conduction in the upper limbs, and I will see you at the webcast.
Hey everyone, I am Dr. Yang Hu, and I am an assistant professor at San Jose State University in the Department of Kinesiology. I just joined San Jose State last year, so this is my first year as an assistant professor. I'm very excited to be part of this webcast because this gives me an opportunity to share my ideals and projects with the CSU peers. And I also hope after this presentation, I can make as many connections as possible with the CSU peers. My talk will be focused on talking about my current understanding of cortical control of balance in older adults and how it interacts with the Tai Chi practice in older adults. And I also will talk about some findings we find in terms of how to use wearable sensors to monitor the mobility of older adults. I hope you can enjoy it, and I hope to see you soon.